Hi, what's up guys, and welcome to today's trade breakdown. I'm going to be showing you on how I made over $9,000 on GBPJPY, okay? But before we go into that, let me quickly make some quick announcement. Now, I'm giving away $500 at the end of the month to the best trader. All right, now I did this the previous month, if you guys can remember. Just in case you're in the Telegram channel, you probably know about that. And yeah, I'm going to be doing this again this month. Now, to qualify, go ahead, have your trading account opened up. I'll put the link down. If you already have an account with the link, that's okay, okay? Now, it doesn't matter how much you're trading off with, but I actually sent a poll in the Telegram. I noticed most people trade with less than $100. Like, that's crazy, to be honest. $100 or less, it's going to be so hard to become profitable. I want to be real. You're going to make, just very less. All right, so yeah, to qualify, use the link down. If you have an account already, that's all good. Deposit and be sure you are in the main Telegram channel. All right, because that's where everything goes down. I personally send in free trades almost every day, so that's the thing not to miss out on. Okay, so good luck and let's see who takes the bag home. Okay, cool. Now let's get into the trade breakdown so we can see how that looked like. Okay, GJ. All right, now didn't mention, but I was able to share this trade with my VIP group. So I have an exclusive group of about 500 people now, and to join that I also put the link down in the description. But as I look, so you make money basically by copying and pasting my exact winning trades almost every day. We have a monthly plan and then a quarterly plan, so I definitely prefer this. You get over 2 or 3 signals per day, and that's something not to miss out on. So yeah, GJ on the H4, how is it looking? Well, with no doubt you guys can see how the trend was. We've had this trend to the upside. Oops. All right, and that's pretty easy. And what's next? I did mark out the most recent low, this point here where the price actually came back, left a week, and then we've been pushing to the upside. And yep, I also went ahead and marked out all these higher lows. Okay, you see that? And then we also have this over here. Now in some way these also work as work as a demand zone on the other side. So this, what's happening, I'll just delete that. Okay, but yeah, so you can notice the price got in here, reacted off. We can also have another level somewhere off here. All right, you see that the price also got here, reacted off, back. And yeah, so what I wanted was the price to tap into my zone in here, so I'm able to take that trade. Now I know at this point it's a bit tempting to say, oh, let's go ahead and take buys off here, and then with your take profit somewhere over there, which is really a good trade. But I think in here the biggest issue could have been the stop loss. Now there's something that I'm noticing about GBPJPY, because I want you guys to look at this very clearly. So let's have an example. So we see the price pushes up, right, to come back to this area for a pullback, pushing up. Well and good, it breaks this level. Now I did expect it to just come back here and then push up. Now if it never does this, more fair enough, it's going to come back to the previous demand zone and finally have to push up. Like that's the thing. If it doesn't respect the most recent high, more fair enough, it's going to get down, because now obviously remember we have had people entering, say, buys here, or they placed buy limits somewhere here expecting the price to go up with a stop loss somewhere here. Now these guys become the liquidity, get stopped out, the price gets into this zone and then finally pushes off. So all I wanted was for the price to tap into my zone much more clearly, so I'm able to take that trade. Now let's go over to H1 and we can have a bigger picture. Okay, cool, there we go. So this is how it's looking. So on the H1 you can clearly see we have this zone, which is very important. Now wanted the price to tap into here, all right, and then we have that trade. Now let's play and see how the price played out. Okay, there we go. So now this was the right thing that I was waiting for. Now the price back into the zone, and my entry sum off here with my stop loss just below the zone, and then I wanted to risk to reward some over there. And off the M15, if you can clearly see even a better picture, there we go, pretty much a good entry. Now the stop loss could have even been tight a bit, but yep. And let's see how the trade plays out. Okay, I'll go ahead and play. Oh, by the way, I also did a video on the main channel, should be up soon, showing you on how to scale in, okay? Because that's key, because I was able to do that. And there we go. Our take profit hit very clearly, and money was made, like that's no doubt. So pretty much easy, and any one of you can be able to do this. It's actually very easy if you can basically learn how I analyze and how I'm able to take trades. And if you do not want to go that longer route and all that, pretty easy. Be able to join join the main, rather the free the VIP channel, okay? And in there you get to get these trades straight from me, and that means you make money whenever I make money, almost every day. All right, and that's how it's looking. So with what the price is doing currently, let's go to real-time price data now. I think it's back into this zone, and we should, there we go, we should again expect buys of this area one more time. I'll actually go ahead and send that trade in the main Telegram right now. So we should be able to make some good money over there. And remember to keep it let's talk and more action. Let's go. Cheers. I'll see you. And let's go.